The following contest is a tag team tables match. Introducing first, from Truth or Consequences, New Mexico, weighing in at 287 pounds, the Superstar.
Matches like these, with talent of this caliber, this is why sports entertainment is an art form. A competitor who always has his game face on, ready for a major battle.
One of the all-time greats, the Heartbreak Kid.
And weighing in at 227 pounds, the Heartbreak Kid, Shawn Michaels.
I don't believe there's been a greater performer in the history of WWE than this man, the Heartbreak Kid, Mr. WrestleMania, Shawn Michaels.
Without question, the Heartbreak Kid, Shawn Michaels, has paved the way for countless superstars here in WWE. It may be popular nowadays, but no one has used the super kick quite as well as HBK.
And none have ever done it better.
A combined weight of 455 pounds, William Regal and the Hurricane.
The tension building for this match is so thick you can cut it with a knife. A lot of drama involved with this one.
You must keep your opponent down long enough to be able to get a table. It doesn't matter how the table is set up, you just have to put your opponents through it. It's about doing whatever it takes, upping the ante in a chaotic environment, because it could be the mayhem that saves you. One move is all it takes to be the difference between putting your opponent through a table and being the one taking that painful ride through solid living metal.
Corey, what in your opinion makes the biggest difference in a tables match?
Competitors got to be able to think and move quickly, survey the damage, explore possible options, and execute accordingly.
You have to take the fight right to your opponent. To put yourself in a position to do that, being tentative can cost you big time.
You must get the table, set it up, and make your move all within seconds. He's absorbed some damage already.
Oh, that might have just broken something.
Producing a trampoline. Leg trapped. Looking for the heel hook stretch. Wards off that offense from Regal.
Face first with a waistlock takedown.
He's getting a huge boost right now from all those chants and cheers.
Hurricane. Haymaker connects.
Uh-oh. Oh, my God. Stiff kick.
Sure, he's pumping himself up, but he's also giving his opponent a chance to recover.
Elbow drop right on point.
Now he's been put on the defensive. And this match will head back to the ring.
Kick to the gut. Oh, brutal forearm. Uh-oh. Half and half suplex. Lights up.
Taking aim on the arm. Ooh, again. Oh, nasty.
They weren't that good looking anyway.
Taking out the arm, great strategy.
Did his homework. Starting back to his feet, but he might not know where he is.
HBK connects. He's outside the ring now.
Hope he's got a plan.
Propelled into the table. I can't begin to imagine what he's got planned here, guys.
Maybe it's a yard sale.
Look at this. Pendulum backbreaker. Tick-tock.
We're about to see the WWE Universe is pouring more fuel on his fire right now.
Eye of the hurricane. Well-executed suplex. This match's brutality starting to show on him.
They have tried their hardest to
A competitor has been eliminated.
His body wipes them out. Defiant counter from HBK.
up the electric chair, down for the drop.
He's setting this table up, and guys, someone's about to have a really bad night. Oh my God, that table right there, this isn't gonna be pretty!
Got it. They outlasted every other team in this match.
Here are your winners, William Regal and the Hurricane.
And that table just disintegrated. They'll be picking splinters out for weeks.
That was a great example of what a tag team can do when it's firing on all cylinders.